says in front of us. Peninsula Baja back there. The baits barely in the water. Let's see. Lots of this, and then we'll catch a big one. Beautiful, beautiful, stunning geography, geology, all those things. Fishing along the coast of Baja, New Mexico, the east, going towards the East Cape. Buddies in the water behind us. Just a plugging and a popping. Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Come here. What, John? Oh, 350? Do we know? Alright, here's John Rauhut. Here's John on his marlin day. He will be catching a marlin today. By flip of a coin, he's been dedicated to the whole day since I got mine yesterday. There's Daniel, our brave and fearless captain. Rauhut up on the fly deck, in the cockpit. I'm not sure what to call that, but it is sure good setup. Here we go. Here we go in paradise. Alright, we got some tailing going on. Alright, we're going to get this. Okay, early action, guys.
Sácala. Eres bueno para castearnos.
Hello.
¿Dónde anda?
They're tailing. We're about to.
Right on top of the water.
Is Tanya asleep still? Yeah, we're just circling. You see something? See a tail? We're looking, scanning the water.
Déjalo. Si quieres, pásame la pasada, loco.
Did you hit at it? Daniel's working it. We want to work that fish, Daniel. All right. Got it. He's coming after it, wasn't he?
otra.
¿Qué?
No sacas nada. Ya está confiado. No lo confié. Ya. Okay, somebody in the chair.
You got him? All right, John, get in the chair. We got him.
Dale, dale, poquito.
Get in the chair, Big John. Got the fish on, buddy.
Agárrala, flaco. Cuidado, Ya.
Hey, Skinny. Hey, Flaco.